This is a quick tip video to show you how to upload content and manage it on Amazon S3 for later use as you deliver your products digitally via your website. So I have a browser open here. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to type in aws.amazon.com. AWS stands for Amazon Web Services. That's where S3 is. The most important part on this page is this link right at the top, sign in to the AWS Management Console. Click that guy, and that will give us an opportunity to enter our email and password to sign in to Amazon. So I'm going to enter my email address and my password and hit enter. So here we are in the Amazon S3 console. You'll notice there are a lot of tabs across the top here. The one we're concerned about says S3. So if it doesn't open there by default, which it probably will, but if it doesn't, just go ahead and click on it, and you'll get back to this view here, where there's two sections primarily to this particular page. Buckets, which is basically a funny name for a disk drive kind of concept that Amazon uses. So each one of these is like its own separate disk drive. So you'll see I have two here on this account. So basically it's like every time you create a bucket, you create a new disk drive to store things on. And the interesting thing about bucket names when you create one is that they have to be globally unique across all of Amazon. So the reason for that is because everyone's bucket lives in a global space on the Amazon servers, so those names just have to be globally unique for everyone on Amazon. So what I like to do is prefix my bucket name with some abbreviation of my URL. So for instance, my URL name is Strategic Gains, so I usually prefix my buckets with SG hyphen. We'll do SG hyphen sample and see if that works. And it did. So that was all I did, is click the create button, create bucket button, and entered the bucket name, and it created this new disk drive concept, which Amazon calls buckets. And then in this part of the window over here, we can do almost everything we can do with a regular disk and directory structure like you would use in Windows or a Mac or whatever. You can create new folders in there. You can, if you click the actions, you can see you can upload, you can make things public, rename it, delete it, copy, paste, those kinds of things. So really what we want to do right now is just show you how to upload your content. So you would click the upload button, add files over here, and now it pops up a little window for me to browse my disk and select the files that I want to upload. I just created this tiny little file here. You notice it's 18 bytes, so that I could demo how it works. Basically, I just select it, click OK, and you'll notice it shows up in the little listing right here. So if I were to select actually more than one file, you see it shows I have one file right here selected with a total of upload size of 18 bytes. So if I had selected, say, 5 videos, all of those videos would show up right here, and it would say, number of files 5, and it would give me a summary of what the size is that I'm going to upload. That just gives me an idea of how long it's going to take. So I have selected my files that I want to upload, and I'll click Start Upload. And this opens up this little transfers dialog, so it uses a progress bar. This is a very small file, so it completed already, but you'll notice that it's right here in my bucket and it's ready to use and it's uploaded to Amazon. So now I could, if I so desired, remove the files on my own hard disk because now they're stored on Amazon servers in what they call the cloud. So we can now use this file, this toddwashere.txt file, if I so desired, on my website somehow. If this was a video, I would be able to use it as streaming video, streaming audio, or whatever I need. So that's how you upload data and files such as videos, audio, and PDFs to Amazon S3. Enjoy!